Hearing a constant hiss, crackle, or random static while using your headphones can ruin the entire listening experience. With the Beat Studio Pro, this kind of noise usually doesn't mean the headphones are damaged. It's often related to connection issues, interference, or settings that aren't aligned properly. Static noise can appear when Bluetooth signals are unstable, especially if there are multiple wireless devices nearby. It can also happen if the headphones are connected to more than one device at the same time. In some cases, the noise comes from audio settings, like noise control modes, or from a weak battery affecting performance. There are also situations where the issue is not with the headphones at all, but with the device sending the audio. So instead of assuming something is broken, it's better to check both the connection and settings carefully. Disconnect the headphones and reconnect them via Bluetooth. 2. Move away from other wireless devices to reduce interference. 3. Turn off and on the headphones to refresh the connection. 4. Check and adjust noise control or audio settings. Number 5. Charge the headphones fully before using them again. 6. Restart your phone or device and test audio again.